Hey everybody, good afternoon. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I have a few minutes to be outside. You guys can totally see the difference between this side of the bumper and this side of the bumper. I was very pleased with how we got it yesterday, a little bit cleaned up. The back bumper isn't in quite as good a shape as the front bumper, but I don't care. I love it all the same. So today we're going to be doing the driver's side, and hopefully we can make it look as good as the passenger side. Thanks for joining the video, guys. All right, so it's done. These side pieces are definitely the best, the cones. Like I said, the bumper itself has a little bit of pitting, but I don't care. I just love it. So still drip drying. I'm gonna shoot another video here in a minute of cleaning up, starting with the back glass. The glass is just nuked with wax, like everything else on the car. But like I said, I see his method to his madness now because it really has preserved the car beautifully. So I can totally see where he was coming from by choosing to do that. But anyway, there's the back bumper, everybody. Like I said, still dripping dry. And like I said, this is just a first initial for everything. You know, we're gonna wax the car and we've got a long way to go. I'll be detailing this car for months to come. But anyway, all right, tune in for the next video of me doing the back glass. Have a great day, everybody.